Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am sharing my review about Scent Botanica products. One is peel off mask and other is brightening night cream. So we'll start, but first do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for all the notifications. So first I talk about this Scent Botanica Robusta coffee peel off mask with coffee, caffeine and cocoa butter. Also, please do notice all Scent Botanica products are free from paraben, mineral oil, sulfate and silicone, and also no animal testing. Product price is $4.99 for 100 grams and shelf life is 3 years. Now just look at the packaging, very nice and attractive. All the details are mentioned on tube also, just like outside. Now let's apply this on my clean and dry face. I take little amount on my palm. It has a medium consistency that is easy to spread. This smells amazing. If you love coffee smell, then you would love it. As you can see, it spread very easily. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes or until it dries up completely. Now gently peel off the mask from the side of the face. I apply a thin layer so it doesn't take much time to dry, otherwise I think it's take longer. It peel off easily without causing any pain. It also helps to remove dirt, dead skin cells and few whiteheads, but not blackheads. So after peeling off, I take a wet towel and clean my face. You can just go and wash your face with water. You definitely feel your skin is soft and smooth after using it. At least I feel so. I really like this product and I think you should try this. It suits all skin types. Now coming to the next product, that is Scent Botanica Vitamin C, E and Hyaluronic Acid Brightening Night Cream. This cream is made with lots of moisturizing ingredients like shea butter, almond oil, olive oil, argan oil to nourish and rejuvenate your skin. Again, there is no harmful chemical like no paraben, silicone, mineral oil and sulfate used. Product cost is $1,199 for 50 grams and shelf life is 2 years. This glass jar looks so luxury. I really like both products' packaging. This is covered by a lid to avoid any kind of spillage. This is peach in color. The texture is so soft and smooth and its consistency is medium. Now I apply this on my face. The product is easily absorbed by the pores, leaving the skin to look supple and well moisturized. I think it's perfect for night cream. You can see my face is well moisturized now. Only the downside is I don't like its smell. It's little weird. And second thing, it's little heavy for oily skin people. If you have dry to normal skin tone, then go for it. So yes, this is my review about these two products. Hope you found it helpful. Also check the description box for products link. Thanks for watching. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.